Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Easy English with Us. In this second part, we will study other vocabulary at home. You are ready? Let's go! Vocabulary at home. Bathroom items. Toilet. Say it with me. Toilet. Toilet. Bathtub. A bathtub is a large container in the bathroom where you can take a bath. Say it with me. Bathtub. 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 Shower. Showers are perfect for refreshing yourself in the morning or after exercise. Shower. One more time. Shower. Towel. Towels help you stay clean, dry, and comfortable after washing or bathing. Say it with me. Towel. 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 Toothbrush. Repeat after me. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Say it with me. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is a cream or gel used with a toothbrush to clean your teeth, remove plaque, and keep your mouth fresh. Soap. Soap is a substance used with water to clean your body, hands, or objects. Say it with me. Soap. 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 Shampoo. Shampoo is a liquid soap used to wash your hair, keeping it clean, soft, and healthy. Shampoo removes dirt, oil, and sweat from your hair. Say it with me. Shampoo. 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 Mirror. People use mirrors to check their appearance, put on makeup, or style their hair. Mirror. 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 Home electronics. Television. Television. Repeat after me. Television. Remote control. Remote control is a device that allows you to operate electronic equipment from a distance like a TV, air conditioner, or music player. Remote control. Say it with me. Remote control. Remote control. Fan. Fan. Say it with me. Fan. Fan is a device that creates airflow to keep you cool or circulate air in a room. Fans can be electric or handheld. Air conditioner. Air conditioner is a machine that cools or heats the air in a room or building, keeping the temperature comfortable. Say it with me. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Heater. Heater is a device that produces heat to make a room warm, especially in cold weather. Say it with me. Heater. 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 Washing machine. Repeat after me. Washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine is a machine used to wash clothes, towels, and sheets automatically. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. Say it with me. Hair dryer. A hairdryer is an electrical device used to dry hair quickly after washing. It can also style hair using heat and airflow. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is an electrical device used to clean floors, carpets, and other surfaces by sucking up dust and dirt. Other common items. Clock. Clock. Say it with me. Clock. Picture. Picture. Say it with me. Picture. A photo, painting, or image you can see on the wall or in a book. Plant. Plant. Say it with me. Plant. Trash can. A trash can is a container where you throw away waste and garbage. It helps keep your home clean and organized. Say it with me. Trash can. Trash can. Trash can. Key. Say it with me. Key. Key. Switch. A switch is a device used to turn lights or electrical devices on and off. Say it with me. Switch. 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 Socket. A socket is a device where you plug in electrical appliances to get power. It allows your devices to work safely and efficiently. Say it with me. Socket. 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 Broom. 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 A broom is a cleaning tool used to sweep floors and remove dust or dirt. Mop. Say it with me. Mop. Mop. A mop is a cleaning tool used with water to wash and clean floors. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and give it a like if you enjoyed the video. See you soon!